Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your plan on Zoom. So first of all, you'll have to come on this page zoom.us, and here you'll have to log in with your email or whatever your account is. So I'm going to log in for you guys, and once you are logged in, it will show you something like this where you will be on your meetings page. You will have to go to your home, and once you are here, you can see here manage plan. So you'll click on this, and again you'll have to click on manage. So here it's giving you options to upgrade as well, but what we want to do is we want to cancel the plan. So you have cancel plan here. I will click on this, and it will say keep features or cancel subscription. So I will say cancel subscription, and then I will say not now, and then it will give you option to pause for 3 months as well instead of canceling it. Or if you want to pause it, you can pause here as well, but I will say no, cancel the subscription, and it will ask you for the reason. I will say I don't need this, so service no longer needed, and then continue. Your subscription has been cancelled.